these are 3 ways to get to our weekly Sunday 3 p.m. tournament. So, first of all, go to chess.com and you'll arrive right here. So you'll go into this little thing that says tournaments right here. Click on that and you'll see this little icon. It's pretty small. And you'll click on that and it'll be right here. Click on this 1 hour before the event starts and you'll be good. Next. Another way to do it, again, you go to chess.com. And there's a little connect thing right here. Click on that, then click on clubs, Rochester Chess Club for USCF members, upcoming events, and click on the link. Be right here, and again, just click that join button right before, 1 hour before the event starts. Another way you can do it, go into your messages, and click on the link. So if I'm messaging Krishna here, click on this. And another way to do it, 4th bonus way, go to chess.com/home. And then over here you'll see all this stuff. Click on this thing that says activity, or if you don't have that, you can go down here, hit clubs, Rochester Chess Club, and you can go in here, or you can go into our news right over here. Click everything over here. So, right over here. All this info. One you'll want to do is right